Okay, here's a small parcel of pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there's a reflection of the lights. Collar bar there on the top. Not a lot of colour in that piece. We quite often just throw pieces in that don't have potential. Doesn't affect the price, but happy to give it away. You can practice on those before you try cutting some of the gemmier material. Flash. Pretty well bit of potch, that bit of colour may be showing up here. Pinky reds, but it's fairly washed out, that piece. There's that bit's a nice little stone, ready to cut. A few more bits there to look at. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.